All right, this is a level 4 type question. We want to find the perimeter of this triangle. Okay, so we need to find our missing A side and our B side. What fun. Okay, there's a couple of things that we can do to find those missing sides. Stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is make this a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to do a little dilatation. There, like that. How's that? Maybe rotate a little bit just for fun. Whoa. There we go. And then just move it. Great. Okay. So I'm just going to take a picture of that. All right, so knowing that this is our angle that we're looking at, so this is the opposite to the angle, and this is the hypotenuse, so that leaves the B side as being the adjacent. All right, and we can figure out the opposite side by using the sine ratio, opposite over hypotenuse. The sine of 28 degrees is the opposite over hypotenuse, okay, for this angle. So the sine of 28, the opposite is the A side over the hypotenuse, which was 45, and then cross multiply the 45. So 45 times sine of 28 degrees is A, and that will give us 21.12622 decameters. All right, and that's our A side. Then to get our B side, what I'm going to use is the B is the adjacent side, right? So we know the adjacent and we know the hypotenuse. Okay, so I'm going to use cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, and the adjacent is our unknown, is B, and our hypotenuse we know is 45. So then to get B alone, I'm going to get rid of the 45. I'm going to cross multiply it by the 28. So 45 times cosine of 28, using your calculator, you get 39.73264 meters. Okay. The other thing we could have done is, like, now that you know, like once we know the A side and you know the hypotenuse, you can always use Pythagoras' theorem to figure out your B side, by the way. Okay. And then, to figure out the perimeter, we're just going to add up the sides that we know, okay, which is the A side and the B side and the hypotenuse, right? The A side, B side, and C side. And so, the A side is 21.12622, the B side is 39.73264, and the C side is 45. We add all that together, you get 105.85886 decameters. Okay, so let's plug that in as our answer. Okay, so here's our answer, and don't forget to say decameters because it's perimeter, and there we go. All right, so that's it for level 4. Have a good day.